Hello, my dear friends, a very warm welcome to your channel. I am your host and your host Shreya, and you are watching your favorite channel, Gracefully Yours. Yes, I am doing a makeup video after a long time, but this video is a bit different because in this video I will be recreating the look of Tagore's heroine from his play, which are very close to my heart. They have inspired me somehow, and also I will share a little bit of the stories of the plays to you. So without wasting any time, let's get started and please watch the full video. My first look is dedicated to Prakriti of Chandalika. Chandalika is a story of a Chandal, which means untouchable, girl Prakriti. Her life as a woman and then as an untouchable woman is full of rejections and ridicule. She often questions her existence. She blames the Almighty and curses her mother for bringing her into this cursed world. But one day she met a handsome, charming Buddhist monk, Ananda, who was very thirsty. He approaches her and requests her for a drink of water. When Prakriti tells Ananda that she is untouchable and she has no right to offer him water from the well, Ananda then replies, all the human beings are equal, and accepts water from her. This incident changes Prakriti's entire attitude to life, and she lives for the day when she will be united with Ananda. Yes, she falls in love with him. She tries to enchant Ananda in various ways with the help of her mother. But later, she realizes her follies and begs Ananda to forgive her. Ananda also blesses her and forgives her. This is what true love is. So, Rabindranath Tagore's Chandalika amalgamates the internal spiritual conflicts of liberation against the social harmony, and also it explains the true aspects of love. This second look is dedicated to my favorite Radharani of Bhanusingher Podaboli. This look is inspired from the floral look of Radha from Radha Krishna Daily Soap, which is my favorite. Now coming back to Tagore, he took keen interest in Prachin Kavya Sangraha, which is a collection of old Vaishnav poems compiled by Akshay Chandra Sarkar, poet and literary critic of the time, and writer Sharat Charan Mitra. They both were very close to Tagore's family. Young Tagore was drawn to Brajabali, which is the Maithili dominated language, and was incomprehensible to him. But it was also the reason he wanted to master it. Bhanusingher Podaboli chronicled the romance between Radha and Krishna, which is a traditional theme of Indian poetry. The poet sought connection with divinity through appeal to nature and the emotional interplay of human drama. He was only around 16 years old when he scribbled these lines on a piece of slate. Gahana kusuma kunja majhe, mridula madura bansi baje. Which means in a dense forest of flowers, someone is playing a soft and sweet tune on the flute. Based on a story from Mahabharata, Chitrangada is a tale of a warrior princess of Manipur. She was brought up like a prince and she dressed up like a prince. Only when she saw and met Arjuna, she realized that the woman inside her has fallen in love with him. When she proposed him, he refused because he was in his brahmacharya. To woo him, she prayed to Lord Madan to transform her into a beautiful woman. Arjun, awestruck by the beauty, falls in love with her. But when he heard about the warrior princess, who is the protector of the villagers, he was really interested and wants to meet the strong and brave lady. Then Chitrangada reveals her true identity as a princess. She also reveals that she neither wants to be treated like a goddess nor she wants to be treated like an ordinary woman. She neither wants to be worshipped nor she wants to be taken for granted. She only wants to be equal to her man. If yes, then you can marry me. Arjuna accepts her proposal. Ami Chitrangada, Rajendra Nandini explains it all. So this is how Tagore portrays his woman in his plays like this. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel.